Hello there, I'm Lubomira, and welcome to day 6 of my holiday card series. If this is your first visit, welcome to my channel. I'm so happy that you found your way to our little crafty place. Please make yourself at home, and I invite you to check out more of my content. For those of you who are returning, thank you for being here. I love spending time with you here on my channel. If you enjoy my videos, please remember to hit those like and subscribe buttons. By hitting that little bell, you'll get notified every time I post a new video so you never miss out on any of the crafty goodness. Today I'm creating an elegant card, which is a great option for mass production. It's a beautiful wreath card using some very clever products from Altenew. Let's get right into the video. I started off with heat foiling a sentiment directly onto my card panel. I'm using Yana's Christmas sentiments from Spellbinders for the simple Merry Christmas. Now for mass production, heat foiling may be a little time consuming, so you can stamp a greeting in a nice gold pigment ink or maybe heat emboss instead. Do what you feel most comfortable with. When it comes to heat foiling, I know that it can be a little frustrating to line up the sentiment straight. However, there is a trick that you can use when it comes to this set and many others like it. You have to look for the flat part of the plate. In this case, it's the top portion where the Mary is, and use that to line up your sentiment. I make a light pencil mark on my card panel and then line up the top of my plate where the Mary is along the mark. I hold it down in place with a piece of washi tape and create a hinge. Then I slip my foil underneath the plate with the shiny part facing up. When the foiling system is ready, I place my card panel face down, careful to keep my plate in place, and when the indicator says it's nice and hot, I send my platform through my die cut machine. My sentiment is nice and straight when I pull off the foil. I love all the coordinating embossing folders and dies that companies have been releasing more recently. There are tons of examples. Today I'm using the 3D Mistletoe wreath from Altenew. I really like this wreath because it's pretty universal. Its leafy branches make it a great option for year-round use, not just winter and the holidays. I first cut out the coordinating piece using the die off camera. If you don't have the die, you can use the embossing folder the traditional way. For those of you who like fussy cutting, you could also cut out the wreath since it's not too complicated. After embossing my wreath, I drop the piece into what I like to call the well side of the embossing folder, or the side that has the indentations in the plastic rather than the raised side. It's pretty easy to find the corresponding leaves and line up the die cut piece with the embossing folder. Then I hold it in place with a piece of washi tape and send it through my machine to get embossed. The texture and the detail on these embossed pieces are truly lovely. I go ahead and mount my panel to my card base using glue and set it to dry under my die machine platform. I popped up my wreath with foam tape and decided that I wasn't going to add any color using ink. This embossing folder does have coordinating stencil sets to help color it if you so wish. I decided to add color using gems, and boy oh boy did I bedazzle the shenanigans out of this wreath. I used various sizes of gems, and I simply followed the pattern of the embossed detail. I added a gem in all the places where there were berries. You could also use glitter and glue instead, and it would look just as pretty. And that's it for this card. This is a simple card that can be reproduced fairly quickly. I love how companies offer the options of the coordinating sets, yet you can still make something lovely with just one or two pieces from those sets. What do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing from you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe if you haven't already. I hope you have an amazing evening and life treats you kindly, my friends. I'll see you next time for day 7 of the holiday card series. See you soon. Bye.